All right, so today I want to show you this back massager that I got here. This is perfect for work scenarios or just even at home. I love using it while I'm working because I'm sitting at a computer chair all day. And if you know, you know. Your lower back hurts. You get in that shrimp position and your lower back pain starts kicking in. Having this is so nice because it's got multiple different modes. It massages all the way from the top part down to the bottom. Or if you want it to just stop in one spot, you can just click the mode and it will stay in one spot. So if you really just need that spot massage, you can leave it there. Now, another cool thing about this one is it's going to have this rotation button. So right now you can kind of see that it is rotating this way. So let's go ahead and let it get up here. You can see it's rotating that way. If I click it, it's going to stop and start rotating the opposite direction. And I love that because sometimes it just doesn't get the right spot. So when you hit this rotation, it's going to change it up and find a better spot. It'll also have heating on here as well. So if you click that one time, the heat will go on. If you click it again, it'll go to the higher mode. And honestly, sometimes I just turn the heat on in the morning just to kind of warm up my lower back. And then I start getting into the massaging a little bit later. Now this is going to have a couple of different modes for the intensity. So you can see here, it's got this button, which will be faster or slower, up to you on how much intensity you want it to be. But you can see I've got it here attached to this computer chair. Now, some of the other ones I've seen on Amazon, they don't have a long enough strap to go around a full chair. Like it'll fit around like one of those smaller chairs. But I love the fact that they made this strap extra long so it's gonna fit on a thicker chair like this one. So if you've got like an executive office chair, this will work for it as well. Now you don't necessarily need to have it hooked onto a chair. What you could do is just take the straps off and then you could set it on the couch just like that. It'll have a handle that you can grab from. It also has a little pocket here for the remote, which also reminds me, I love the fact that they put a connected remote. If this was a wireless remote, I guarantee you it'd be lost in the first week, but having that connected remote is nice. You could place it right there and it'll stay out of the way. Now the connection for this, in case this gets damaged, you can always buy a new connection. This is a basic DC volt connector and you can get these pretty much anywhere. You just pop it right in here at the bottom and it'll start working. And then the last thing I wanted to say here is at the bottom you can see that this pad is here, and this is great because you'll see other massagers where these nodes are actually right on your back and they're made out of like a hard plastic, so it could actually hurt your lower back if it's too hard. So having this little pad right here is perfect for your lower back. And when you've got this sitting on the chair, it even helps with correcting your posture because it's pushing the lower back in and you're able to sit up straight. So if you're looking for a really good back massager, maybe something for work or just at home, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.